Hello. Hello, good evening. I come up into recording this 3D uh, project of mine. This is a proposal using a free software called Sketchup. No? So I'm going to start the basic first now. So these are the menu of the what we call this the Sketchup. So I'm going to start since I'm going to make a 3D of a residential building. So I'm going to start with a plain surface on the ground. So I'm going to start. As you can see, I have clicked the rectangle icon here no, at the above of this screen. So this is the plane. So I'm going to I am going to make a plane with a dimension of 4 by 12 meters. So as you can see, the dimension 4 and then 12 and then enter. So that's my plane. So I will just start the uh, basic commands in SketchUp. So you have there already the plane for the plan. So I'm going to start the division of this plane for the plans. So I'll just create the half of it, then the quarter section of this plane. It's the basis of my plan. So I'm going to create the rectangle again for the column of the house or the residential building that I'm going to make. So I'm going to make a basic or usual column dimensions that I am going to make. So that's point 2 by point 2. And then I extrude it using this icon into 3 meters. No? Just type 3 and then enter. So you have already the column. And then I am going to highlight this one and then right click and then make group so that I can move it to the designated grid lines. So these are grids. No? So you have here the first row of columns. So in order to copy all these columns, just select them all and then move or type M, then select this edge, this midpoint, so you can select all the columns. So as you can see, there are columns already. So I'm going to make a uh, flat, what we call this, flat second floor, flat plane or plane for the second floor. And then I'm going to extrude it using this icon into point 5. So I've already uh, created basic uh, columns and the roofing, roof deck, or whatever proof that you are going to use this one. And then I'm going to repeat this command, and then I just type 0.5 enter for the next row, the next row, and then erase. Just click this one. Okay. So we have now the slab, the floor slab, the ground slab. So this is now the skeleton of my project. So I'm going to make another setup here to make it an L-shaped uh, building, extruded it to the distance of 4. Then I'm going to copy that one here. Copy the columns. So you have now an L-shaped plan. So in order to copy and have columns at the top of your uh, building or the second floor, no? So just copy all the columns that you want to uh, reproduce in the second floor, and then make another plane here. So you can extrude up to, let's see, that is 1.5. You have now the shape of the building. So I'm going to use a gable rope for this building. So you have now the gable roofing. You can extrude that one, or you can use. So if you are going to adjust the column height, so just select all the columns and then type S for the scale, and then move that one into here. So you have now the basic skeleton of your building. So I'm gonna offset that one using this icon. Okay. We'll just use 0.25 for the offsetting of these. Okay. Offsetting of the roofing. I'm going to erase the uh, unnecessary lines and then extrude it one into 1 meter. And another for the overhang. Extrude it into 1 meter also. So you have now overhang. Then so that's the skeleton of the building using the basic commands in SketchUp. So this is just a trial uh, version of the SketchUp. And also this is a trial, what we call this, a trial uh, tutorial in making 3D in SketchUp. So that's the basics. Thank you for watching.